In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how people are making $50 per hour doing transcription jobs from the comfort of your home. Stick around because I will be revealing the top platform to find those jobs, how much they pay, and I'm saving the best for last. So let's talk transcription for those who are new to this. Here's the scoop. There are a bunch of companies out there that need people like you to turn audio or video files into text. Essentially, they'll send you the audio or video they want transcribed, and it's your job to listen closely and tap out everything you hear. Once you are done, you send it back, and that's how you earn your cash. Pretty straightforward, right? Now, you might be wondering, how much can I actually make doing this? Great question. I have done some digging, and let me tell you, there are some experienced transcriptionists out there who are earning up to $350 a week, and the best part, many of those gigs are open to people all over the world as long as you speak English. Like if you are watching this video, I'm betting you do, and you are good to go. What's even better is that those jobs are entirely remote. All you need is a laptop and some decent typing skills. No awkward Zoom calls with a boss. No need to clock in and out. And you don't even need any special experience. It's all about your English comprehension and how fast you can type. Plus, you get to work at your own space. No strict schedule or check-in and required. Sound pretty sweet, huh? Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 different websites where you can start your journey as a transcriptionist and start making money. I will break down the pros and cons and how much you can expect to earn from each site. Website number 1, Revcom. Starting off our list is Revcom. This is one of the classics in the transcription world. On the home page, you'll notice that Rev is geared toward clients who need the audio transcribed or captioned, and they charge around $1.50 per minute. That sounds pretty good, right? But here's the catch. You won't earn that entire $1.50 per minute. If you scroll down to the bottom of the site, it's a bit hidden, so you have to dig a little. You'll find a freelancer button. Click on that and it takes you to the sign up page where you can apply to work as a transcriptionist. Rev is big on flexibility. They really push the idea that you can create your own work schedule. No need to clock in or out, which is fantastic if you are looking for something that fits around your lifestyle. Now, let's talk about money. On Rev, you can earn between 30 cents and $1.10 per audio or video minute. To put that into perspective, if you're just starting out and maybe a bit slow, you might transcribe about 10 minutes of audio in an hour. At the higher end, that's about $9 to $12 per hour. But as you get fast, you could potentially transcribe 15 to 20 minutes of audio in an hour, bumping your pay up to $16 or more per hour. Not too shabby, right? But there are a few things to keep in mind. First, Rev pays out through PayPal and only PayPal. If you are in a country where PayPal is not an option, that's a big downside. Another con, it can take a while to get accepted. I have heard stories from folks who are waited months to hear back from Rev about their application. Still, if you get in, it's a steady source of income. Many people make a few $100s a week here. Website number 2, GoTranscript. Sliding into the second spot is GoTranscript.com. This site has a clean, minimalistic look, and like the others, it's marketed primarily to people who need transcription services. If you want to join as a transcriber, you have to scroll down and find the Join Us as a Transcriber button. GoTranscript pays up to 84 cents per audio or video minute again. This falls somewhere in the middle to lower range, but here's something cool. They provide some transparency about earnings. They actually show stats for how much people typically earn per month. On average, folks make about $150 a month during this part-time. But if you are really committed and working hard, you could earn up to $1,500 a month. That's not bad at all. Another thing I like about GoTranscript is that they pay through both PayPal and Payoneer, so you have option. Plus, they accept people internationally because they need transcription in multiple languages. So if English is not your first language, but you are fluent in another, this could be a fantastic opportunity for you. Website number 3, CRSurf. Coming at number 3 is CRSurf or CRSurfWork.com. This site offers transcription gigs too, but they make things a bit easier by giving you shorter audio or video clips to work on. So if you are not into transcribing, long interviews or lectures, CRSurf could be a good fit. One thing I love about CRSurf is that the application process is super simple. You don't have to hunt around for the apply button. It's right there on the main page, and they accept people from all over the world. As long as you are proficient in English, you are good to go. But let's talk about pay. CRSurf rates from 3 cents to 20 cents. Yep, it's definitely on the lower end compared to Rev. But there's a big upside. You get accepted much quicker and can start working almost immediately. If you are looking to get started fast, this might be a great option. That said, there are a couple of downsides. A lot of users have complained about the website interface is not exactly user-friendly. Plus, you are competing with other workers from platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk. Since CRSurf also hires people for Mechanical Turks, there might be fewer jobs available for you, which could mean less money. Competition always drives down the earnings potential, right? But overall, CRSurf is still considered one of the better options for those looking to get into transcription quickly. Website number 4, SpeechPad. Next up, we have SpeechPad.com. Now, SpeechPad might look a bit more like a traditional job site. If you are interested in becoming a transcriptionist, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click on the transcription link in the serve columns. Once you are there, you will see that you can earn between 25 cents and $1.30 per audio minute. The higher end is pretty attractive, right? But let's be real. The chances of consistently getting jobs that pay at the upper range are slim. Still, it's worth noting because even at the lower end is not too bad. Just like Rev and some other sites, SpeechPad emphasizes the flexibility of working whenever you want. But unlike some others, they pay out twice a week. That's more frequent than most, which is a nice perk. The downside, SpeechPad also only pay via PayPal. So if you are in a country with restriction on PayPal, this site might not be for you. Another thing to note is that SpeechPad sometimes close off application if they have too many people on board. So you might want to check the site regularly to see if they are accepting new transcriptionists. Website number 5, Playmedia. Being the last does not mean the least. And for the last website, we have Playmedia. I saved the best for last because I have heard so many great things about this site. Some people are making a casual $50 a day here, and the veterans, they are pulling in $20 to $50 an hour. Now, that's some serious money. To apply, you have to scroll down and find the transcriptions job link. What's cool is that you can choose to be either in English or Spanish transcriptionist, two of the most popular languages. Why do I think Playmedia tops the list? Simply because they tend to pay higher than most other sites. I mean, $50 an hour. That's pretty great. They also pay weekly, which keeps things consistent, and the application process is quick, taking only about 15 to 20 minutes. Once you are approved, you can start working right away. However, like all good things, there are a few downsides. One of the biggest cons is that there are slightly less work available here compared to the other side. The reason because they pay transcriptionists more, they have to charge client more, which means they might not get as much business. So while you are earning more per job, you might find there are not as many jobs available. But overall, if you are looking to make a decent income from transcription, Playmedia seems to be the best bet out there. Now, if you like to learn how to make money by listening to music, make sure to click this one, here or here. But don't click on it just yet. Make sure to subscribe if you want to grow your wealth, okay? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you over there. Peace. Bye. Thank you.